Hi guys, Zach here from Dynamic Engineering Australia. In this video I'm just going to walk you through the filter replacement schedule for the JetBlack cleaning booth. So the maintenance schedule that we'll be going through today is guideline figures. It really highly depends on how often the booth is being used. If it's 2 guys going through the booth 3 times a day or 40 guys 3 times a day, the amount of dust capture will be significantly different. So please use these as guidelines only, but they should offer you a good starting point. Alrighty, so the first filter we're going to start on is the puck filter. This filter here filters the air going through the blowers behind this enclosure here. It's pretty simple to replace. Remove the weather cover, remove the catch with a 3mm Allen key, and they slot right in and right out. Alright, so up here we have our roof filter. Super simple to replace and install. When you first receive the booth, you've got to install this black plastic gasket here, and then replacing the filter is as simple as sliding the old one out and putting the new one in. No hardware, nothing, super simple up here. Okay, so moving on to the extractor side of things, in here we have 2 stages of filtration. We have a bag filter down here in the yellow, followed by the HEPA filter. The idea of the bag filter is to protect and to catch all the heavy material before going through the HEPA filter. Alright, so onto the bag filter. This one here we recommend changing on a 3-month time frame. Luckily for this, you can actually see when it's getting full and needs replacing. Our demo here has never been used, so we've got no material at the bottom of these bags, but as you start to extract dust through the booth, material will catch at the bottom of these bag filters and you'll see that they're getting full and time to replace. Okay, so here we are down in the bag filter. All filters are easy to replace. This one here has just got 4 M10 nuts. You can see 2 at the top here, and there's an identical 2 on the bottom side. That will just unbolt the casing that holds the square bag filter face, and then you can remove the whole assembly and repeat to install the new filter. So following the bag filter, we have our HEPA filter, the HEPA box filter. This one we recommend replacing on a 6 to 12 month schedule. At HEPA grade filtration, it's filtering up to pharmaceutical grade, and then it's discharged out. So any air after this is quite clean. So with the box filter, step 1 to replace this is remove the front guard. 4 M4 Allen keys will remove this piece. Once we have removed the front plate, then we're just onto the final piece of the puzzle. Just got 4 of these large studs, threaded rod, to either side of the box filter, and they're just unscrewed down the bottom here. Right, so once you've removed the 4 threaded rods holding the face clamp down, then the filter is good to come out. It just slides out like so. So just to finish, we're just going to touch on the airflow and how air flows through the booth and then through the extractor. We've got air being filtered through the puck filters coming in through some oscillating nozzles on this side of the booth, as well as a higher volume of air being drawn from head to toe through the floor grate and then into the extractor and discharged out after 2 stages of filtration. Now, also just to recap, we've gone through 4 filters today. We've got our puck filters, our roof filter, our bag filter, followed by a HEPA filter, right? Remember this, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months for the bag filter, and then 6 to 12 for the HEPA filter, right? These are guideline figures only, but they should give you a good starting point. Thanks for listening.